Want to learn how to join communities on your Amino account? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in. Make sure you're as well. So you can see that I'm onto my homepage of my Amino account itself, and on the homepage, these are the communities that I had joined before, and below it are all of the recommended communities. But still, if you want to get into this properly, you need to tap on this communities option on the bottom left next to discover. You can see that these are the communities that I joined before, but if I want to join more, I need to tap on the join a community. On the bottom right, you can see join a community option. So these are all of the recommended communities, but if I want to discover more topics, tap on this discover more topics if you want to, just about creating on. So you can see that this has been recently changed. The whole settings of Amino app has been just changed. You can just randomly select as per the topic over here. So I don't have a bookmark topic, but I can select some of this. But before selecting, let me tell you one of the things that for joining a community on Amino app, there are two of them. The first one is public and the second one is a private one. The public community is really easy to join. That means you can just join them just by tapping on join community and get into it. But for the private one, you need to get an approval from the members inside or from the admins as well, and then only you can get inside it. So I'll show you both of the communities types. First of all, alright, so I'm going to tap on something randomly. Let me choose something from art, and I'm going to join a community related to art. So here are it. There are even lots of sections related to art as well. Let me choose calligraphy. Here you can see that there are lots of communities. I'm going to join this beginner artist. You can also choose of your own. So it's a simple one, and the public one are indicated with having no lock icon present just next to join community on the bottom. But if this community was a private one, they would definitely have this lock icon. So for that, you can tap on join community on the bottom. Simply, this is the public one, alright? And yes, this was that simple. Just by tapping on it, you've been welcomed to the beginner artist. You can tap on next on the bottom. You can follow and start connecting with other members around. Tap on follow all and next. And yes, you can like other people's posts. Tap on like all and done on the bottom. So this is it. Public one is this much easier. So let me go to the private one after this. I need to select one. So let me scroll down onto this topic on the left corner. I'm going to choose reading. Let me see if there are any private groups or private community. Scroll down. I'm going to tap fantasy. Alright, and okay, I want to join this Thrones one. I'm a big fan of Game of Thrones, and you can see that into this community there is a lock icon on the top right corner. You can tap on it, and yes, you can see that just on the bottom left there is a lock icon. That means it's a private community. Tap on join community again. So you can see that you need to enter the invitation code or the link if you have been given or been invited by some group member already. You can paste here the particular invitation link and then submit it and be the official member of this particular community. But since I do not have any of the invitation code or the link, I'm going to tap on this request to join on the bottom. And now I need to enter the invitation. Okay, now I need to tell this community leaders that why I would make a great member. I'm going to randomly keep it. When you're done keeping our proper request, you can tap on submit below. Yes, you can see that your request has been submitted. Now the official member need to approve you, watch your request properly, and then when they will let you enter it, you'll be the official member of this particular community. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.